The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Morning, guys. Good morning. Today is Tuesday, October 4th. Very good morning to you guys. And we are sky high again. Looks like we have follow through again today. Morning, Hubba. I'll give you a call a little later. Got to pick some dates. Coming into the market, guys. NASDAQ's up 230. Morning, Claudia. Fernando, good morning. ES up 61, the YM up 405, EMD up 39, Russell up 33, gold up 12 bucks, silver green, crude up $1.14. Everything's green today. Tesla's up 790 in the pre-market. Apple is up 272. We're green for now. In any event, if you guys are here on trial, good morning and welcome back. We do have a couple of trials starting this morning. If you folks are here for the first day, good morning and welcome to the room. Very, very briefly for you trial members that are starting today, when there are bot trades, the room is comprised of two separate and distinct areas. One is going to be the robot trades, which I will show when we get one. My robots are on. I don't have any trades. And the other is order flow trades, which are manual entry trades. That's a brief overview. Let me quickly read the disclaimer. I will then go over charts. I'll show you what I'm seeing. And we can go from there. Bear with me 1 second, guys. Okay. U.S. government required disclaimer. Futures and options trading has large potential rewards, but also large potential risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the futures and options markets. Don't trade with money you can't afford to lose. This website is neither a solicitation nor an offer to buy or sell futures or options. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those discussed on the website. Past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. CFTC Rule 4.41. Hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Since trades have not been executed, results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. This presentation is for educational purposes only. The opinions expressed in this presentation are mine and mine alone. All trades presented should be considered hypothetical and should not be expected to be replicated in a live trading account. Last but not least, past performance is not indicative of future results. The fact that I may or may not be in a trade does not lend more or less credence to any trade. Please trade according to your own accounts. Please trade according to your tolerance for risk. If you folks are here on trial for the first time, we do have two joining us today. Today will be the last day that I add any trials. A couple of things that you should be aware of. I will show bots as trades are executed. What you're looking at on the screen are not the robots. Okay, so for instance, this is the ES robot. It did not take any trades yesterday. It has not taken a trade yet today. Okay? You will see, presuming there are trades to see, the ES crude, which has not taken a trade today. NASDAQ, which has taken one trade, it's up $125. ZN, 10-year note, which has not taken a trade today. And natural gas, which has taken two failed trades today. Those are the 5 robots that I will be trading. Each of those is now, as of yesterday, each of those is now trading opposed to an account, individual simulated accounts, so that I can track numbers. I am now tracking each of these bots on an individual basis, opposed to a net number. At the end of the day, I, of course, will give you a net number, up or down. but I am tracking them on an individual basis. Additionally, something I have not done historically, I am tracking to targets 2 and 3 so that I have an idea of percentage. So for instance, over the last year, I can tell you that the ES robot has a 74% win rate, but that's to target 1. Now I'm interested in knowing what is the win rate to target 2 as well. Does it make sense to take both contracts off at target 1? Or does it make sense to continue to go target 1 and target 2? Yeah. See, old dogs can learn new tricks. Same with crude, etc. So based on the numbers last week, this is both for members and trials, based on last week's numbers, and I'm going to give them to you again. For instance, crude, I can tell you last week, now this doesn't mean anything over the next 6 weeks or 60 weeks, but last week, crude hit target 2 62% of the time, but it only hit target 3 25% of the time. So it makes no sense for me to trade. If I'm trading my account, it makes no sense for me to trade one contract off at targets 1, 2, and 3. Makes no sense, right? So what I'm doing is I'm now running crude, taking 2 contracts off at target 1. I'm sorry, 1 contract off at target 1 and 2 contracts off at target 2. In the long run, that will make more money. Last week, ES was 6 trades with 3 winners and 3 losers. Net result was plus 500 for the week, but it hit target 2 100% of the time. So of the 3 winners, it hit target 1 and 2. So I'll leave that 1 and 1. So on and so forth. So that's what I'm doing in order to get a more highly accurate idea of what I want to trade at some point in the future, right? So I need the info. It's basically, look, I probably could have called Dean and said, Dean, what's target 2? And he probably could have told me 37% on Tuesday, 27% on Wednesday, 86% on Thursday, so on and so forth. Probably would have been a lot easier than what I'm doing. In any event, the other aspect is going to be order flow trades, which we do every day, all day. And you will see those order flow trades. I do want to also let you folks know, if you're here on trial, and I'll say this very slowly, I do trade a live cash account. Okay? The bots are currently running in sim, but my order flow trades, I trade a live cash account. I would challenge you to go find another room that actually trades a live cash account. There may be a few, but there are, of 2,400 or 2,500 rooms, there are less than 0.1% that actually may trade a verifiable live cash account. That said, I've read the disclaimer. I've given you guys an overview. Target 2 hit and filled. This is on natural gas. All 3 targets hit and filled. Anybody short 49.5 on ES? Anybody short 49.5? Okay. Target number 1 is about 46. If you're trading multiples, 46. I'm expecting 45 to hold. So if you're short 1 contract, then ideally you're going to come out at 46. It's your prerogative, but get this thing back. Morning, Greg. Morning, morning. What you got going on already? Yeah, Netty Gas. Let's see that sucker. 63.85. Where's your short? 97. $46. It's about 3.5 points. 45 is major support. Not that we can't sell through it, but I'm expecting it'll bounce at 45. You see the big bid at 45? You've got 100. I mean, it's not big by any means, but 148 contracts to buy right at 45. He'll get filled. They'll press this down eventually to him or her. Let me just check. See if we have any news today. I don't believe we do. No. No earnings of any interest. Tomorrow we have ADP, but non-farm payrolls on Friday is big. No earnings. You did not see crude inventories. No, crude inventory is tomorrow. Today at 4:30, as they do every Tuesday, is API data on crude. So at 4:30 you get API data. Then tomorrow at 10:30 you get DOE data. They claim they get their information from the same places, but they are never the same. Never. This could pop back to 51. You can drop stop to 53 from 55. I wouldn't want it. And maybe 54 quarter above these sellers. It should come down to 46. NASDAQ starting to push lower. If it breaks below 45, I mean, there's support between 44.75 and 45.5 on this ES. I don't think it's going far. NASDAQ could pop back to 507. ES 51. Greg, you said 97? Okay. Thank you. What's your target? Here we come, fellas. So we hit 46 on the offer. So here's your choice, guys. You've got target. 46 target is hit. If you guys are one contract traders, the only option you have if you're trying to get more of a move, you can go to break even and hope for the best. Otherwise, take your three handles and it's a little bit of money, and that's how you grow an account. Hitting home runs is not how you grow an account. And we bounced right at that 45.50. Now this could roll over in another minute and 50 seconds. NASDAQ target is 65. Morning, Ozzy, and then VWAP. 290. Nikes. You guys good on target one? Or at least the target I had? It's going to take some work for the ES to come down through 45, but nice job, guys. Crude. Good Lord. Those Oxy 65 calls, if anybody took those yesterday, well into the money. You got frost? It's chilly here today. It's awfully early for frost. Bot is break even, +1. Target 2 hit and filled. Target 3 hit and filled. Come on down. 50 sellers here. Nothing. 49. Now they're buying them up again. Totaling this 82 quarter. We're holding a pivot on the hourly on the NASDAQ. 9 o'clock candle, this will probably break. What else we got going on here, guys? You short natural gas? Gas is a short. If anybody wants to try a natural gas short. Nine o'clock, looking for comments from Lori Logan, Dallas Fed. I'm watching natural gas, guys. I'll short it at 87. If natty gas breaks below $6.30, it's going to get pummeled. I mean, it's $1 lower, but it will get pummeled. Copper getting a bounce. Grains are closed. No bot trades. Man, yesterday was slow for the bots too. Could get a pop to 49 on the ES if you want two handles. Right here at 46.5. No, I am not, Greg. I'm waiting for it though to roll. I will short natural gas. Copper's getting a bid. Anybody take that 46.5 on ES? Your target is 49. Above 49, it can go 50. Not much. There's 48.25. Come on, right back. NASDAQ traded back up into that 505. It can go 510. I'm watching natural gas. Crude bid on gas, Greg? 402, but I'd rather have it at 95. I hate the whole number. Are you short? Yeah, I mean, I have the same area for a short. I just missed it because I was watching this NASDAQ. ES got target at 49. ES got target at 49. Now, if you want to hold it, it's free trade, but it's another three handles. I mean, talk about boring. Three handles down, three handles up. Long? Yeah, obviously. Obviously. Come on, Natty Gas, die. You'll take the three handles if I don't want them? I'm not even in that trade, so I didn't get the three handles. The 10-year note. First trade of the week. Last week, ZN took 8 trades with 7 winners. Natural gas is in resistance right here at 27. Well, the area that I'm watching on natural gas is 98. I want it below the whole number. First target might be, we could get 73. A break of 73 is 59, 52, and down potentially to 63.11. This trade could be on all day, guys. No, I just started it. Yeah. I mean, you could aggressively short 64.12. Yeah, but I'm fixing to kill this sucker. JLG. I'll be out. I'm out. I'm out of NASDAQ. All right, guys, there's your aggressive short on natural gas at 12, 64.12. And then it needs to come down through 89. Feds Williams and Logan. Is that 9 o'clock? Mester speaks at 9:15. I don't think they'll say anything that's going to be good. Bloomberg commented gold dealers are running out of physical supply due to UK large demand. Listen, Jimmy, I've tried to buy gold and silver bullion for the last year, literally. And if you can find it, you're going to pay $6, $7, $8 over spot if you can find it. Good luck. All right, fellas, I'm going to go to breakfast. I'll be back in 20 minutes. Natural gas had a long while I was gone. Natural gas spot's up 23.40. ZN is still in that trade. Hasn't gone anywhere yet. Not a fast mover, guys. Nothing in crude, nothing in the ES and the NASDAQ isn't a long on the bot. Still think we pull back in the open. Anybody have any questions, guys? Gold, 86, crude, $86. Let's see where the hell this thing can go. 86.75. We still have about 7 minutes, guys. If anybody has questions, ask. Yeah, yeah, yep. Back down through the 95 into the 68 is target one. Nice trade, Ken. If any of the bots were watching. So the funded bots, the bot is the same bot, Doug. It's the same bot. It's just different settings, right? So on the funded trader bots, we're use different settings. So for those of you guys, you may be trying to get a funded account. We were able to get about 170, I want to say 173 traders funded when we did that program, which started in mid-March. So March to June, totaling over 500 combined funded accounts. Just different settings. So for instance, on the ES, I am not using the funded trader bot. I'm using the 15-minute, which is the original settings on the bot. It doesn't take many trades. It averages 3.9 trades per week. It did not take a trade yesterday, and it's not taking a trade today. Crude is the funded trader settings. NASDAQ is the funded trader settings. And most guys that are trading for a funded trader account are generally not trading natural gas. You can, but you would trade it with one contract, not two. Certainly not three. And ZN was introduced last week. I took a poll of my reader base, just some 9,000 people, and ZN was the most common. So I added the ZN robot. No, the only funded bots that I'm using are CL and NQ. We have a funded trader bot for ES, Russell, crude, NASDAQ. Again, it's just different settings. We can do education again, Rich. I can't do it the next 2 Saturdays. I'll be out of town. Fair amount of sellers here in the opening 3-minute bar. They're getting absorbed. They're getting absorbed. They are buying everything in sight right now. We're longs, guys. We didn't quite back test 20. We're about ready to go daily up. Man. NASDAQ above 567 is going to go hog wild. Here it goes. 594 is your target. 594. Yeah, you can. Target on the ES, 85. We're going to 85 on the ES. 85 today. We're all short. Ninja doing its ninja thing. There are no sellers, guys. 5,100 net buyers on the NASDAQ. There are no sellers. Here's a long right here. 53, 54. Volume is heavy, very heavy. That chart's frozen. Come on, pull back. I mean, this is a straight rip. It's just longs, guys. It's longs. Nothing I can do. If you're not in at 20, you can buy it and hold your nose kind of thing, but wait till the next bar. Longs, fellas. It's longs, just straight longs. The only pullback entry I have is maybe to 45. There's your 45. You got your 45, 46. Let's see here. What you got, Deepak? 37.50s. Come on, pull back. For the love of God, pull back. Okay, 1720. There's 1760 right now. Come on, pull back. Jesus, everything went. There's a pullback. Yeah. Oh, ZN got target, guys. Sorry. Got target 1. I have an open runner now with the trail on. Break even in the trail. So target 1 is filled on ZN. And I'll go over all the bot trades at the end. Small sellers in here. Deepak, I paid $17.80. I paid $17.80, D. That was your pullback, 46, guys. Guys, I bought SPX 3750 calls. I paid $17.80. It's gone. It's gone. I mean, you can't buy them now. Okay. Here's the only bot trade we have so far. You got a $234 runner on the ZN. It's just an open trail. You're welcome, Claudia. I'll show you the NASDAQ chart. Remember I put 2 lines on my chart? Come on, don't tell me you're frozen, you son of a... I got a few charts that are frozen with the volume, fellas. Anybody else getting freezing? Go Ninja. Anybody else getting freezing? We're getting a pullback here. I'm going to show you the chart as soon as I can freaking move it. ES target is 85, fellas, where I will short. If we get to 85, I will sell 85 or probably buy 37.80 puts. SPX. Cannot move the dang NASDAQ chart. Okay, that's now unfrozen. I'm out, D. I'm out. I got 2250. I was out on that last push. I'm watching the NASDAQ retrace. I'm so annoyed. I want to show you this. Anybody buy 370 calls? Anybody buy 370 SPX calls? Nice job, Stuart. This 374 on SPYs is the breakout. 374 SPY. You're at 370. It gapped up. Opened at 373.55. 374 is the breakout. Nobody bought SPX calls. Okay. You're in the money, so you can take profits as you see fit. SPY has got to break out above now 75, which is the hourly, and you can target 77, almost 70, 77.90 if you have SPY calls. Nice job, Tom. Up 42.50. Nice job. There you go, guys. We're breaking out. Next target up 610. NASDAQ 610. 617. 617. We're longs, guys. We're longs. Next 10-minute bar in about 3.5 minutes. Daily saying there is a lot of room to slow the labor market. 617 is target. I have nowhere, maybe 47 to 50 area on a pullback. 60. If you bought SPX calls, I don't believe anybody did. 370, you're out. If you bought 37.70s, you're done. Nice job, Jeff. Up 810. You bought SPX calls? Nice. You're welcome, Jeff. See you tomorrow, man. ZN on the bot is now auto trail. So the auto trail has exceeded the break even. We now have a natural gas bot trade long. Guys, you're just long NASDAQ ES. You're long ES to 85. Yep. We're going to 20, guys. 17 to 20 on this NASDAQ. There are no sellers. 5,700 net buyers. There are no sellers. If you're long, great. ES target 85. 85. It's major resistance. There's target 1. Next 10-minute bar, guys, is coming up here in right now. Targeting 620 to 25. NASDAQ 620 to 25. This stops at break even, so 85 coming on ES. 85 coming. I'm going to short 37.85. Yes, I'm going to short that 37.85. $200 contracts for sale. That's not even the big offer. He's up here at 3,800. Daily goal hit. Nice job, Joseph. Good job, fellas. Let me see if I can move this damn chart. Still can't move that NASDAQ chart. Here comes the next push on the NASDAQ. Target number 2 hit and filled on the natural gas. NASDAQ pullback entry long is around 70 if it pulls back. 70. Still no sellers, almost 6,000 buyers. Off to the damned races, fellas. 650 is your target on NASDAQ on the hourly. Resistance has now moved up to 629. If we can get a dang pullback, be nice. We go to a smaller chart. Out on the last contract on natural gas. 71 is support. 70, 71 on the NASDAQ. Now we're getting a pullback. About time. Let some air out of this balloon. 600 sellers in this 3-minute block. I'll buy 70. Come on. A little more. Doesn't come. Came to 76. Damn it. I wanted 70, guys. Small sellers in this block, 135, 145. I'd really like to see this tag 68 to 70. Come on. They're buying them up. They're getting bought up. You can take it long here with a 73 stop. 86, 87 with a 73. Come on down. There's just no sellers, just resting. Come on. Small sellers here, fellas. 60 sellers. 2 net sellers in the previous 3-minute bar. Three minutes, you've got your opening range high at 0275. That's your opening range high. That's not the opening range high now. Longs, 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 just longs, guys. There's no short here. It's the opening range high now. $636 is target now. 645, 36 and 45. Yes. Just long, guys. So what we want to see here at 85 is a quick reject. You're welcome, Claudia. It's not done yet, guys. It's going to 39, fellas. 40. Guys, if you're not making money, you're doing something wrong. 85 ES short with a 5-handle stop. Jolts is a miss. All right, here's your opening range high. We just blew through it. You're out of ES. That's your opening range high. Out on ZB on the runner. All right, guys. We're basically at resistance here. Guys, it's 115 handle trade if you traded it. 115 handles. $2,300 a contract. Who here held to targets as I was giving you targets? Who here held? We started out at the 617. Nice job, Carl. Okay, Hubert. Nice. Okay, guys. Held to 20. Nice job. This is yesterday's. We can forget about that. Welcome, Chris. Okay, guys. Nice job, fellas. I cannot help you with your order flow. I mean, if you're in the room, go through the dang video. Nice job, Fernando. Jesus, talk about a short cover. Holy Christmas. I mean, there's not even a pullback. Okay, Floyd, what does that make your NQ target? I mean, guys, we went through, I can't even move the stinking chart. Yeah, damn. I cannot move my ES chart. Boy, do I hate Ninja. For those of you guys that are on trial, I run 3 platforms simultaneous. I'm running obviously Ninja. Crude is going to short on the bot. You can short crude at 80 right here, 85.20, 21.22. Yields are coming right back down. Come on, NASDAQ, give me a pullback. Good Lord. Let's see what happens at 21 if we get there. $85 now support on ES. NASDAQ target now again 670 once we can find a long. I'm not even watching it. We get days like today with the NASDAQ and ES, man. I would strictly trade NASDAQ and ES. Anybody short 2021? Anybody short 2021 on crude? Anybody? Okay. You're welcome, Albert. We pulled back and back tested the opening range high. Come on, push back up to 50. Come on, go back to 50, 51. Target 1 on crude is $85 even. 85.01. Come on, NASDAQ. You're breathing heavy. Let's go. 41. Come on. Push. Got to get through 50 and this thing goes again. Above 50, this goes again. Here it goes. Here it goes. Here it goes. Come on, 675 target. We back tested the opening range high, held 26. Got to get up through 50. Here she goes again. Here it goes. Come on, 50, 51. This is it. $75 target. 75 target. Come on, dog. Another 500 buyers in this 3-minute bar, fellas. $75 target 1. 75 target 1. Got to get through 60, 61. All kinds of buyers, fellas. $38.20 is the next target on ES. $38.20. No interest in shorts anywhere at this point again now. None. I'll buy pullbacks, but I'm not shorting anything. All right, let me see what else we can find. Everything took off. Copper, gas, everything went. Got 180 sellers, 90 sellers in this block, but they're getting absorbed. Oh, that was a massive 30-minute run. Crude came down to 08 from 20 and has bounced. Slowing down here, fellas. NASDAQ. I hate to say this, but we could see 12,000. Looks like we can come back 615. It's got to break below 28 to come down that swing. There's a short on natural gas spot. There's target 1 on natural gas. Come on, break that 28. All right, there's target 1 on NASDAQ. Out. We should tag 21. If this breaks below 644, basically that target, it'll get second and third target. Buyers all in here. This is all buyers. Sellers tried. All right, we're below 44 on this natural gas spot. 1 tick from second target should get it. There it is. So you did a put credit spread? Deepak? Okay. There's a short on the crude bot. Yes. Deepak, yes. Man, I wish this thing would just freaking puke. $400 buyers in this block, and they're not moving it an inch. Come on, pop here. Got to pop above this 42. Nice job, Arjan. Come on, get above 42 and rip one. 41, there's 42. There we go. Now it should be free. Come on. It's got to get through 45. This is going back up, guys. There's no shorts. Only pullback longs at this point. It's pushing that damn pivot, R2. There it goes. Come on. Another natural gas bot trade. I'll bring it over in a second. There you go. Guys, this is longs to 703. This is go. Natural gas got another target one. Natural gas bot's killing it today. Killing it. This has to push up through about 55. Natural gas is up 33.70 on the bot today. Insane. Come on, get through 55. Come on, 55. $53. Come on, I need 55. $54.50. I need 55. There it is, 55. NASDAQ's long on the bot also now. This should work up close to 64, 65. Good Jesus. This is like an inch at a time. Guys, if we hit the high of the day at 66, it's going to rip again. Just letting you know. If anybody is still long, there are no shorts. They're only pullback longs. It's long. I'm just telling it's longs, guys. I mean, it could pull back to 40. I don't think so. No truth to the reports that Yellen is leaving her post soon. Still longs, guys. It is still longs. I have a 705 target, guys. 705. I just hit a 55 long. Target 1 on the NASDAQ bot. Come on, NASDAQ, get the high. 67 and rip them up again. High of the day is 67 quarter. Come on. Doesn't want to go yet. It's going to go, guys. It's going to go. Here comes the high of the day again, 67, and the next rip. Here comes the next rip. Come on. There's target 2 on NASDAQ bot. NASDAQ bot's up. New high of the day. Here comes the next rip. 709. Come on, let's go get 709. Come on. Another rip. Let's go. Come on. Need a new candle. Need another high. Need a new 30 range candle right here. It's got to break up above 70. Come on. Pop it. Pop it. We're pushing value area high at 70. Come on. No. There it goes. This try. Got some sellers in here, but we're going to head to 710, 709. There's the new candle. Here comes the next high of the day. There you go. 709. Target 709. 709. If you guys are long, here comes top of the hour, guys. We've got to get through 70, 70. Boy, crude just went hooey. We need this little spike here. Come on, break out, baby. Break out. Here's what we need. That and that. All right, we got 71. Come on, NASDAQ. Let's go. Come on, baby. New high of the day. Here we go. Here we go. Come on. Tear it up at 11 o'clock. Tear it up. Come on, new day high. Top of the hour, new day high. Let's go. Push, baby, push. That day of the high has proven to be a little bit problematic. Fucker. Come on. Come on, baby. We are 15 seconds to the top of the hour. Come on. There it is, top of the hour. Come on, rip them. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Come on. Still can't do it. Still cannot do it. Yeah, ES is stalled out. All right, so it's going to go eventually, but that's gone. It's the high of the day, guys. It's tried 1, 2, 3, 4 times. All right, fellas. The day is done, or at least the trade room is done. Let me give you some totals. ES did not take a trade today. No trades on the ES on the 15-minute bot. Crude is in a trade, but hasn't gone to target or stop. NASDAQ finished up $1,080. $1,080 on the NASDAQ bot. Natural gas finished up $3,370. Can turn that off. Here comes first target. There's first target. So we'll see how this finishes out. And ZN is still in this long, underwater, $281. This could be on all day. It's green on the day, depending on where that finishes. Anybody have any questions before we wrap it up? So right now we have a net total. I can't even give you a net total because it's still in 2 trades. We know we're green. We've got 4,300 between the ES and the NASDAQ. I'm sorry, natural gas and NASDAQ. On crude. Crude finished down 1560. Still up on the day, guys. Overall. Yes, Fernando. You're welcome, Dennis. I will see my 1 o'clock guys in 2 hours. I will see everyone else at 8 a.m. You guys are very welcome. It was a good day, fellas. I will see all of you tomorrow morning.